Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav. Today I'm here to start with a new video. In this video I will be showing you a very interesting data structure algorithm problem that is also available on the LeetCode problem number 136. So before we start with this, first of all, what exactly data structure and algorithm is? So data structure is a way of organizing and storing the data so that it can be used efficiently, and algorithms are the step and instruction to solve a problem. Again, in the simple word, algorithm is a sequence of steps to solve a problem. Now question will be like, why we learn data structure and algorithm, why it is so much important. So data DSA helps you to write a problem in or write a code in an efficient manner so that it will be faster, efficient, and able to handle large amount of data. What is the real application of that? These where these are being used. For example, if you are using Facebook, in that case, if you have some specific feeds, you like some videos, in that case you can see that that specific type of post reels are being showing in your feeds. This is also being done by the help of data structure, that what exactly your preferences. Apart from that, if you are using Google Maps, in that case maps help you to find the shortest route and the time also. So how this is being done? See, this is also being done by the help of this structure and the algorithm that define how exactly we can solve a specific problem. So let's start with the problem today that we are solving. So we are problem solving LeetCode problem 136, that is also known as single number problem here. Okay, so what exactly the problem is given? Given a non-empty array of integers, now every element appearing twice except one, find that single one. And it has given a condition: you must implement a solution with the linear runtime complexity and use only constant extra space. Okay, so what exactly this question is saying? It's saying it's saying that you have a non-empty array with integers, means like you have a array of integers. In that case, the elements, all the elements are appearing two times in that array, except one element that is appearing only one time, and we need to find that specific element. For example, here it is given in that array of integers 2, 2 and 1. In that case, 2 is appearing two times and 1 is appearing only one time. So 1 is the solution, 1 is the number that we have to find out. Similarly, 4 is appearing only one time, the other all appearing two times in a set of array. So in this array, so the answer will be 4. Only singles element, in that case the answer will be 1 only. And we can solve this problem using any technique, like you can use loops, you can solve it using maps, but there is a condition. In that condition, it already asks you must implement a solution with linear runtime complexity and use only constant extra space. So in that case, if you will use maps, in that case the time complexity will be also big of n, and space complexity will be also be big of n. So what and how we can solve this problem? So this question can be solved using mathematical bitwise XOR operation. What exactly bitwise XOR operation? I will show you here. Let's see here only. Okay, you can see here, suppose if there are two elements with like input A and input B, if both are same, in that case it will return nothing. If both, like one is different, another is different, in case it will return positive, or like 1 in the truth table. So this is the logic that we have to implement so that we can solve this problem in an efficient manner with the constant runtime complexity. And here it has been given a and b, so also it means like XOR operation are cumulative and associative in nature, and this is one of the biggest advantage of this. So let's start with this. Another way that you can also solve this problem using counting the frequency using maps, but the most efficient way and the condition which already given here, like you have to do this with only constant extra space runtime complexity. So how you can do it? So let's start. I will start with, let's take a variable int ans is called, we start with the 0. Okay, and then we will use a for each loop here. So for int, let's take well, or let's take well as nums. Okay, and start. And now we will implement here our XOR operation, starting with answer equal to ans XOR of what, well, and then here we will return, yes, return here, return answer. Okay, so this is the solution that you can solve this LeetCode problem. Here what we are doing, we have used integer answer starting with the 0, and then we have implemented a for each loop. First we will compare with answer 0 to the first element of the array, that integer, and then it will return answer. Again it will go, and for each loop means like it will go to the all element of the array, and it will find that specific answer at that specific element that is only appearing one time in that integer of array of integer, something like that. So let's run it. Let's see that whether it is correct or not. So yes, it's correct. We will submit it, and yes, this is how it's work. And yeah, so you can use this solution, you can use this bitwise XOR operation so that you can use it to compare, because in this question it already given that all the integer available in this array are appearing two times except one. So there are definitely all the elements appearing two times, only one element will be having one time, and that's why we use this bitwise XOR operation. Apart from this, I will try to teach it in a more depth manner in the upcoming videos. I will also try to explain the mathematics, that how exactly the things are working. So yeah, this is all about for the today's video. I hope you like it, and if you didn't understand or understand, please drop comment so that I can improve myself, because I have started this video, I'm not sure that how exactly or how good I am explaining the things, but it will be a very beneficial if you will comment so that I will try to implement. And I also, apart from this, I will show you what type of experiment and research works I am doing that might help you in that you can also start doing your research work. So yeah, so this is all about it. And one more thing, if you also wanted to learn C++, the most good tools are like VS Code, you can use it, but personally if I say, you can use it C-line. Right now I'm using this because it is one of the best as of like my opinion, I would say, because it also helps you to write the code in your own way, and it helps you because if you all start writing code manually, it will be very hectic. So yes, you can use it. C lines, that is also very good tool. So yeah, this is all about it, and I will try to teach it more in a more better way. Please drop comment so that I can improve myself. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you want, if you have any question regarding this problem or anything in the C++ or in any programming language, please let me know. Hope I can understand and maybe I can explain it to you guys that actually how these things are working. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye. Take care.